In this video, I am going to share a picture sa inyo. Magkakaroon tayo ng accident assessment sa video po na ito. Now, I want you to assess this picture. Sino po dito ang may right of way? Okay, sino po dito ang may sala? Okay, sino po dito ang dapat na stand-on vessel? Sino po dito ang dapat giveaway vessel? Okay, so take your time. Okay, you can pause this video to assess. Okay? But right now, okay, sa part na to, I am going to explain. Okay? Now, ang may sala po dito, okay, basahin po muna natin to. Okay? Two ships collide off Gujarat. Tama ba pag-pronounce? Coast India. No marine pollution was reported. The accident of mid-sea collision between a bulk carrier aviator and all chemical tanker Atlantic Race happened 12 nautical miles away from the port of Oka in Gujarat around 21:30 on November 26. On receipt of the incident information, Indian Coast Guard ships interceptor boat. Okay, immediately napunta sila dun sa situation. Now, ang may sala po dito is ito pong tanker ship. Crossing situation po ito. Okay? Paano ko po nasabi na itong si tanker, si Atlantic Grace ang may sala, hindi itong si handy-sized bulk carrier? Very simple lamang po. Okay? According po sa ating Rule 15, crossing situation, okay? When two power-driven vessels are crossing so as to involve risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side, okay, shall keep out of the way. Okay? Ibig sabihin po, ito pong barkong ito, you have a vessel on your starboard side, which is the handy-sized bulk carrier. Okay? So, ito po para mas madali po ninyong matandaan. Okay? Para mas madali po ninyong matandaan ng rule na to. Itong Rule 15, crossing situation. Kapag nakikita po ninyo, okay, ang let's say, ang port side, okay, kita po ninyo yung port side, drawingan natin to. Saan na yun? Yan. Pag nakikita nyo yung port side or yung red port side light, okay, ibig sabihin po ng red, ano pong ibig sabihin pag red? Stop. Okay, pagkita mo naman yung tinatawag natin na let's say green light ng isang barko. Okay, kita mo yung green light ng isang barko. Okay? Pag nakikita mo yung green light ng isang barko, although hindi ito yung green side, okay? Pag nakikita mo yung green, dito tayo. Yan. 'Yon. Pagkita mo yung green na side light, go ka. Okay? Pero po, kahit kita mo yung green, okay, yung green na side light ng ating kabilang barko, assess mo pa rin. Ako ba may right of way? Are they taking the right actions? O kasi baka mamaya, okay, 'di ba, masyado kang maangas, masyado kang mayabang, tanker ako, handy-size ka lang, mag-giveaway ka sa akin. Ito ang mangyayari sa'yo. Collision ka ngayon. Okay, so very basic lamang po ito. Very quick lang to na coaching video. Okay, ulitin ko lamang po Okay, ulitin ko lamang. Okay, pag nakikita mo ang red, okay, kasi ito port side ito halimbawa dito ko halimbawa ilalagay yung side light, halimbawa lang, okay, nandito, ayan ang iyong red na side light, okay, pero typically nandito yan sa superstructure red, tapos kulayan din natin itong isa, green, yan, kulayan pa natin, gawin natin complete, ito kasi more than 50 meters so double ang iyong mast headlight. Yan kompleto yan yan, baka mamaya may maarte sa comment section yan. Sige. Pagkita mo ang pula, okay, which is ito, okay, mag-giveaway ka. Okay, ito yung stand-on vessel, si handy size. Okay, pero pagkita mo naman tong si green, okay, no choice, you have to, ikaw si stand-on vessel. Okay? Ikaw si stand-on vessel. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Pero i-assess mo pa rin. Okay? I-assess mo pa rin. Ano ba? Ako ba may right of way or not? Okay? So then again, very simple tip lamang po in this coaching video. Again, maraming salamat. Hope you learned something new. Be happy, be healthy, and most importantly, to God be all the glory. Keep safe.